In this video I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping. If you would like to make the image the same size as the design, you will lose parts of the image as you can see. Now we have a simple option for this, and it is also the only option you have. So what you need to do is select the image and after that go to position. Now you will find the image size. And as you can see, we can copy those sizes. So make sure you note them down on your notebook or on a paper. And after that, we can go to the resize option. Here you can go to custom size and there we will fill in the height of the image. Now that was 607.5. Once you have entered the right height and width of the image, then you can resize this design. So after that, resize it and it will take a minute. After that you will see that the size of the design has changed and now fits the size of the image. And as you can see, we have now successfully resized an image in Canva without cropping. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!